question is asking which states can be pruned in an alpha beta pruning algorithm. So at the beginning, max picks L and R, and min picks L, M, and R, and then min also picks L, M, and R, and the numbers we get is these. So we need to decide whether each of the branches can be pruned. So one useful intuition is the first branch can never be pruned. So here it means these three cannot be pruned because if we don't know the value, we have no idea what is the either an upper bound or a lower bound, the minimum or the maximum player can get. So we need these three numbers, and we need the first branch of the first branch here as well. So the only question actually is whether these two can be pruned or not. So let's first solve this. So here, meanwhile, compare these three numbers and pick the minimum. And this will be the value of the main player. And the maximum player so far, if I pick L, I'll get 3. So what I know is I can get at least 3 from the left branch. And for the right branch, here, if min picks L, min will get 2. So what it means is no matter what these numbers are, if it's larger than 2, the min player will not pick it. If it's less than 2, then it is less than 2. So it's possible that it's less than 2, but it's never larger than 2, basically. So what this means for the max player is max can get at least 3 from the left branch, and max can get at most 2 from the right branch. So max would not care about what the actual number is, whether it's 2 or minus 1 or minus 5, because I'm going to pick the left branch for sure anyways. So that would be why I never need to know these two numbers, and that by definition is that they can be pruned. So we don't need to know the information, we don't need to search the subgame anymore.